Hello friends, Christian here with Brick Life Crisis, and today we have something a little bit unique. We're not looking at the Make a tape, but the manufacturer of that, ZURU, has made a set of blocks. I found it at Walmart for about $10. Let's go ahead and take a look. I'm sure most of you have seen this stuff. This is the block tape from ZURU. They call it Meka, and basically it's adhesive on one side and the other side is a studded surface that you can attach Lego and similar bricks, and it's been advertised on TV and a lot of people use it for various things. I bought this actually at our local Toys R Us before it went under. This is the last thing I bought. I think I got it for $1.50 or $2, something like that. But at Walmart I found this. They call it Max Build More, 253 pieces. And there's a compatible with major brands thing on the side, and that's actually a brick right there. But this is made by the same company, ZURU. This was a little less than $10. I think it was $9.84, something like that. And I was just curious, so I'm not expecting a whole lot, but let's go ahead and open it up and see what we think. So this is our first brick. This is a 2x4 red brick. It's a little tough to make out, but there is a little bit of a Max logo printed on those studs. It's not easy to see, but anyway, that is the brick that was in the packaging. Let's go ahead and take a look here. This guy is similar to those Lego totes, only not nearly as nice, I don't think. It just has these clips on either end, and we take off the lid. There are some stickers with printed eyes on it. That's interesting. And some ideas. And a few bags of parts. Alright, so here's an overview of this set. 253 pieces. It's really 252, but when they include the one that was attached to the packaging, then it brings it up to the 253. There is this sticker sheet over here, which is a little odd. It's just like eyes and stuff that you can put on these little white tiles. I wouldn't do that, but I suppose you could if you wanted to make creatures or something. Lots of different colors. White, 2 different shades of green, red, orange, yellow, brown, black, light and dark gray, light blue, lavender, pink, all kinds of stuff. Mostly just typical bricks, but we've got some of these sloped pieces, a couple of trans orange pieces. There's a red flag and a tail piece. And then we have a couple of these sloped pieces here, a couple of sloped pieces in various colors, and some inverted slopes as well. A couple of rounded lime and red pieces there. And then we have some of these archway pieces. There are 4 fence pieces. Strangely, it only came with 2 wheels and 2 tires, so I'm not sure what you're supposed to be able to make out of just 2 wheels. And they're, I mean, that's the axle piece there, so you can't even really make a motorcycle out of it. And there's a windshield. A little bit strange, but anyway, cool little collection of parts. What I noticed is that the plastic that they're made out of is a much lighter weight than a Lego. They seem strong enough. The clutch power is not bad. Certainly not a substitute for actual Lego, but for $10, if you're buying for a kid who doesn't necessarily care if he has real Lego or not, this is probably better than a lot of the other brands that are out there. And this is, again, from the creators of the Meka, quote-unquote, Lego tape. So, yeah, let me know what you think of this. Will you pick it up? Is it worth $10? Or is this just a big pile of junk? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, take care. Bye for now.